You have this question right here. It's asking if a spotlight on the ground shines on a wall 12 meter away. If a man 2 meter tall walks toward the building at a speed of 1.6 meter per second, how fast is the length of his shadow on the building decreasing when he is 4 meter from the building? So let's see how we can do this question. First of all, I would like to draw a diagram for this picture, for this question. So if I draw the diagram, it's going to be something like this. So I would like to use different color. Let's take blue. Okay, here we go. So this is 12 meter given, and the height of the wall we don't know this height, but they're saying that there's a so in the 12 meter distance there's a spotlight acting on it. There's a spotlight. So let's say this is a spotlight, and if the man, we don't know exactly where the man is, but what they're saying is 4 meter away from the building. So let's say here, so he's 2 meter height, and if the spotlight is acting on him, it's going to make a triangle like this with the wall. And let's say this is y, this distance is y, and this is 12 meter. Let's say this, the man walk x distance. Actually x is going to be 8 because they have given that I'm taking this one x. This is the man, right? This is the man. So if this is a man, if this is x, they are saying how fast is the length of shadow on the building decreasing when he is 4 meter from the building. So if he is 4 meter from the building, he's going to be 8 meter here because total is 12. If he is 4 meter here, then this is going to be 8. So we know x is going to be 8. And also we know that his speed is given 1.6 meter per second. So dx by dt is 1.6 meter per second. So let's call this triangular A, B, C, D, E. And if we take this triangular ABCDE, we can form a connection here. So for example, if you see both of the triangle are making same angle, therefore we can, if I make a relation, for example, if I take a triangular ABC and the triangle ADE, I take triangle ABC and ADE, if I divide this length y by 2, it's gonna be similar to 12 over x, because 12 is the big triangular and x is going to be the small triangle. This is y is big triangle, 2 is small triangle. So I can divide 12 over x is going to be same thing. Now what I have to do is I have to create a equation in terms of y. So if I create, the question is dy by dt. If I take this distance dy, then this is the change of shadow. As the man move toward this building, this this is gonna come down. This is shadow. It's gonna come down. So that's what they're asking, dy by dt. So y is equal 24 over x, and if I find the derivative, it's going to be dy by dt. It's going to be equal to, this is going to be 24. You can write it as 24x inverse x minus 1. So if I find the derivative for that one, it's going to be minus 24 x minus 2. I can write it as minus 24 over x square. Now I have formed a connection right here, so it's going to be minus 24 over x square, and this one multiply by dx by dt. Now if you solve this one, I will get minus 24. We know the x is equal to 8, so it's going to be 8 square times dx by dt. We already know it's 1.6, and if I calculate this one, I will get negative 0.6, and the unit is going to be meter per second because that's what we are taking. So meter per second. So the answer for this question is going to be the length of this shadow is decreasing by the rate of 0.6 meter per second. So decreasing, if we have a negative sign, we know it's decreasing. So decreasing at the rate of 0.6 meter per second. So this is my final answer. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.